Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be swatching the alcohol inks that I made. I did this video, well I did let's say the preparation video about 2 weeks ago, and I've only just put it up today. So these alcohol inks have been sitting here in these jars for 2 weeks. So I thought I'd better come on and see if they work. So I've painted 5 of these tips in a white. I didn't do 2 coats, didn't think there was any point. And then I did a matte top coat on them. So I am going to, as I've got 4, so I've got green, lighting's really shite, I'm so sorry, but there's a green, blue, red and an orange. So I'm going to do one on each, and then the last one I'll do sort of a mishmash. So I've got a little pot of alcohol here. I will start off with the green. It's looking very dark on camera. Lighting's not too great. And I've just got this like little detailing brush, so I'm just gonna do a swirl. See, I think these come up alright. They're not as pigmented as the proper ones, but I don't think they're bad at all. To be honest, I'm quite impressed. So there's the blue. Yeah, the blue one's not so pigmented at all, actually. I mean, for do-it-yourself jobby, I honestly don't think that's bad at all. Alright, I'll put the lid on because I know I will spill it. So that's the red. I've left the what's this called? Like the bit in the middle of the pen. Yeah. Okay, so the red. I'm quite impressed, you know. Not bad at all. And then the orange one. Okay. Now get some alcohol on this green one. I like these. You can see, should I zoom you in a bit? Excuse me. I like them. I really do like these. Right, let's get creative. Right, I'll do a few little squiggles here and there. Yeah, each time I'm wiping off my brush. And then lastly the orange. Do you know, I think these are bloody good. Well, they should be if I left them for 2 weeks. See, I think they look pretty darn good. So thank you very much, Sharon, for letting me nick your idea. I mean, I didn't exactly, because Sharon had put in some rubbing alcohol. I don't have rubbing alcohol anymore. I used it all, so I just used it. Let me zoom it back out. I just used this nail polish remover, acetone free, that I got from Superdrug. So it worked. So I will wait for these to dry, and I'll give it a top coat. Right, we have a little update. So I put a top coat on, just my regular Urban Graffiti Now top coat. Now this one originally was green and it's gone like an luminous yellow. Blue stayed blue. And the red has turned like a light orange. The orange stayed orange. And then, so I did the blue there, then the green, which is yellow, red, which was a lighter red, a lighter orange, and the orange. And I'm not mad at that at all. I kind of like it. But very strange that they changed colour with a top coat. But yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go now. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.